Hi my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Melanie and we're gonna be going through my everyday summer makeup routine. Don't mind my hair because I'm doing pin curls. I'm gonna take them out at the end of the video. The first step to any great makeup look is gonna be your skincare, which I already have on, but I'm gonna show you the products that I used. First, I went in with these two serums. I go in with the Skin 1004 first because it's a little bit thinner consistency, and then follow up with this one. After that, I go in with my moisturizer. I'll either do this one by Skin 1004 or I'll do the Mixsoon Beam Cream, which I really like this one too. Then I go in with some eye cream. This is the Caffeine Eye Cream by the Inkey List. And then of course, if it's daytime, I'm gonna go in with some SPF. This one is also by Skin 1004. Now that skincare is out of the way, let's get into makeup. My routine is pretty much the same all year round. I do some slight differences for when it's summertime. For example, I start off with some kind of skin tint. I like this one by Kosas. I just started using. This is maybe like my third time. I also really like the Sun Skin Tint by Say. I'll alternate between using those two products. This time I'm gonna use Kosas. A little does go a long way. Squeeze a little on my cheeks. It's more than enough. And then I'm just going to begin rubbing it into my skin with my fingers. Now I have this Dibs Duo Stick, which I'm gonna go in with the bronzer side. I'm gonna take my Refi brush and go in with this side and just take some bronzer and just take it all over my cheekbone and bring it in under my eye. Because this kind of replicates a sun-kissed kind of look, because I know after the beach I'm always sunburnt like here. So I like to go over bronzer in those areas. And I just keep on blending until I like how it looks. I'll even bring it over my eye and up to my temples. Also put a little bit on my nose. And then very little on like the corners of my forehead here, so like following my temples up to the arch of my eyebrow. So now we're starting to look nice and bronzy, sun-kissed glow. I usually use an eyebrow glue, but I'm out, so I'm just gonna comb them out with this eyebrow brush. Now I'm gonna go in with the Glow Tape Highlighter by Tarte. This is in the shade Pearl Glow. And then I'm gonna dab right on my cheekbone, just one. And on the other side as well. Now I'm gonna take my fingers and just begin blending that out. Bring it over my eyelid and a little bit up to my temples. And the residue I also add to my nose. Cupid's bow and chin. Now I'm taking this little brush just to blend it out a little bit more. I'm not even sure what kind of brush this is. I just use it for highlighter. Blend it out a little more for a softer look. Now the part I can't live without, lashes. Both of these products are from Lash Therapy Australia, the lash curler and the mascara. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna curl my lashes twice on each side. Applying mascara, I always look down first, apply, and then look up, and then apply again. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now we're gonna do a lippy. Typically for my everyday summer look, especially for the daytime, I like to go in with a more natural lip gloss. So I'll either use the Ribbon by Rhode or the Nude Sticks. This is a sheer like clear gloss, but it's so moisturizing. I love it. Today we're gonna use Rhode. I like that the pink tint is there, but it's subtle. It's funny because I have all four of like the OG lip tints and I expected this one to be my least favorite, and it's actually my favorite. Last but not least, we're gonna go in with some setting spray, which this one is so old. I need a new one. here is the final look. Giving very natural, very glowy, nice and sun-kissed. I'm gonna go take my hair out of these pin curls and I'll be back.